Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khaire, Faculty of Rasiklal and Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, discussed the chapter Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 and rules thereunder 1975. First, we will see objective of this Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. Objective is to provide for the termination of certain pregnancies by registered medical practitioner and for the matters connected therewith. We will see certain definition. Guardian, a person having the care of a minor or a lunatic is called as a guardian. Minor, a person who under the provision of the Indian Majority Act 1875 is to be deemed not to have attained his majority. Owner, owner in relation to place means any person who is the administrative head or otherwise responsible for the working or maintenance of such a hospitals or clinic. Place, it is a building, tent, vehicle or vessel or part thereof used for establishment or maintenance therein of a hospital or clinic which is used or intended to be used for the termination of any pregnancy. Then we will see circumstances under which the pregnancy may be terminated by registered medical practitioner. The registered medical practitioner may terminate a pregnancy when it is not more than 12 weeks old and the medical practitioner is of the opinion formed in good faith that its continuance would result into serious injury to the physical or mental health of the pregnant woman and the child to be born would be seriously handicapped due to physical or mental abnormalities. The registered medical practitioner may terminate a pregnancy if it is more than 12 weeks but not more than 20 weeks by the opinion of practitioner, and if not less than 2 registered medical practitioners are of the opinion, then any pregnancy caused by rape or as a result of failure of any contraceptive device used by any married woman or her husband for the purpose of family planning, it may be presumed to constitute a grave injury to the mental health of the pregnant woman. The registered medical practitioner may terminate a pregnancy of a woman of 18 years of age or more with her written consent. The registered medical practitioner may terminate a pregnancy of a woman who is less than 18 years of age or who attained the age of 18 years and is lunatic with the written consent of guardian. Then we will see experience or training which is required for a registered medical practitioner. A medical practitioner registered in a state medical register immediately before the commencement of the act should have not less than 3 years experience in the practice of gynecology and obstetrics. A medical practitioner can terminate the pregnancy if he has completed 6 months of house surgery in the gynecology and obstetrics, if he has experience at any hospital for a period of not less than 1 year in the practice of obstetrics and gynecology, if he has assisted a registered medical practitioner in the performance of 25 cases of medical termination of pregnancy in a hospital established or maintained or a training institute approved by the government for this purpose. In case of a registered medical practitioner who holds a postgraduate degree or diploma in gynecology and obstetrics, the experience or training gained during the course of such a degree or diploma is considered. Then we will see the place which is approved for termination of pregnancy. The following facilities should get provided at the place where termination of pregnancies are carried out. First, an operation table and instrument for performing abdominal or gynecological surgery. Second, anesthetic equipment, resuscitation equipment and sterilization equipment. Third, drug and parenteral fluids for emergency use. And last, the government is satisfied that the termination of pregnancy may be done therein under safe and hygienic condition. About maintenance of admission register. Hospital should provide for the maintenance of admission register The head of the hospital or owner of the approved place should maintain a register in prescribed form of the admission of women for the termination of their pregnancies. Serial number should be given to each entry in the admission register. A fresh serial number should be given to each calendar year. The serial number of the particular year should be distinguished from the serial number of other years. For example, as a 7 of year 1987 and serial number 7 of the year 1988. The admission register is a secret document. The details regarding the name and other particulars of the pregnant woman should not be disclosed to any person. Then we will see offences and penalties. The termination of a pregnancy by a person who is not a registered medical practitioner shall be an offence punished under Indian Penal Code. Any person who willfully contravenes or willfully fails to comply with the requirement of any regulations made by state government is punishable with fine up to 1000 rupees. No suit or other legal proceedings shall lie against any registered medical practitioner for any damage caused or likely to be caused by anything which is in good faith done or intended to be done under this Act. Thank you.